Hello and welcome to Glee TV. And with me this morning I have Tom from Airflow, who is a really happy chappy because last night they won the Best of British award for their product Bertie. Now Bertie's a Christmas product, and I don't think we've had a Christmas product win an award at Glee for a long time, which is really good.
Okay.
But the interesting thing about Bertie that the judges liked was the fact that it's made in the UK, designed in the UK, and I think the
tooling's manufactured in the UK as well.
Right, so it's really is a British product.
Really, yeah. Oh yeah, 100%.
But what the judges really liked was the research and development you've done into taking a pretty standard Christmas tree stand product and just making it better.
Yes.
So tell us about that story.
Right, well, a few years ago I invested in some 3D printing, which is now it's the most crucial part of product design. It's so much easier and better with when you design individual parts and pieces. Have it in your hand, see what the connection's like, have a nice feel, see where you can improve it upon. I do injection molding, so it's also nicer to see where you're actually going to start, how that product's going to be produced, and where's the best place to produce it.
Right. Okay.
And once you've done finalised parts, what's the interfering fits are going to be.
What was it that made you come up with the fact that you've got the legs that come out to give it, which gives it the stability? How did you come across that development?
This is a completely unique design to this product. I've been working on this leg design for about 2 years now.
Right. Okay.
Looking at different aspects, how to make it. It comes with, so it's a unique design with a pin there, which I designed myself, which has 2 spring aspects to it. So I wanted to include a spring washer on the base of it to add tension to the leg.
Yeah.
To keep that constantly under tension, but it also needs to be a one-way clip, which is, and then with the 2 prongs that come up and then hold it into place on the top here.
Yes.
Also act as a spring part as well.
Right.
So when it's cam action as well, which is the main thing what I liked about this, and what drove me on further is that the heavier with being cam action, the heavier the tree, the more stable the pot is going to be. Right.
Okay. So, and it's these legs coming out that gives the stability, because you can. I think you told the judges it can take an 8-foot tree.
It can take up to a 9-foot tree.
Up to a 9-foot tree.
So
wow.
From a 4-foot to a 9-foot, which is quite unique in pots.
Yeah. And then you've also increased the size of the depth of the bowl that the tree sits in.
So the capacity is a lot higher, as much as we can get into there.
Yes.
So that's 4.5 litres, and it's also something simple like having a nice big key for turning the screws.
Yes.
Which took up a little bit of design time, 3D printing all that again.
Yeah.
And then making it as nice as possible. A little snowflake design on that.
And I think it uses recycled plastic as well.
Yep, it uses recycled plastic, but also it's 100% recyclable.
Right. Okay. So it ticks all the sustainability boxes as well.
Exactly.
Good. But the other intriguing thing about this that the judges really liked was the fact that you've put a marketing story behind the name of the product.
The name.
Would you like to explain this? Why is this Christmas tree stand called Bertie?
Well, we wanted to create something that was going to be aid with selling, but also have a bit more being British, bring it back to Britain. So Prince Albert was the first one to bring in the Christmas trees.
Yes.
Okay, and make them popular. So we weren't going to call it a Prince Albert. another nickname. So Bertie's quite nice.
Yes.
It flows quite nice, and it's nice for the kids to. Again, with marketing on the side of that, give it a backstory.
Yes,
absolutely perfect.
Yeah, lovely. And I also like the fact that you call the colour schemes. They're not the colours.
It's not the colours. No, it's
they're
Bertie
suits, aren't they? Yes.
Some black screws.
Very good. Well done. And it's great to see that somebody can innovate newness even into a product as simple as a Christmas tree stand. Well done. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Cheers.
Thanks for watching.